And that's why probably one of the last questions that I get before I finish my photography classes is, okay, well, what do you recommend to edit the pictures? And the default is always Lightroom and Photoshop, but I don't know about you, I'm cheap. And even at $10 a month, if I can do it for free, that's even better. So I started looking at different applications that are out there that can edit like Lightroom and like Photoshop and give me decent results. And there is a plethora of software out there, and it's very confusing. And I read, I can't tell you how many articles, and been to so many sites. And there's some bias out there about editing software that you never really know where they're coming from. Is the guy getting sponsorship from Corel or from some software company, or is the guy writing the article about comparing the different pieces of software? Does he work for one of these companies? So I started looking at it, and what I wanted to do was kind of gather as much information as I could about what's out there, both free and commercial, so that we could make an intelligent decision. And it one size doesn't fit all. Everybody knows that. So I started looking, and I was looking for kind of a definitive list of what software is out there, both free and commercial. And I went to good old Wikipedia and found a great listing and a great comparison of software. But there was some glaring omissions in that because it's just a table of known software that is submitted by different people. So I added to that and then started doing some comparisons. And what we're going to do tonight, we're just going to skim the surface. We're going to do a little overview of what's out there and how to look at this and strengths and weaknesses. And then in following weeks, what we're going to do is look at in depth some of the feature sets. We're going to install the software. I'm going to install the software. I'm going to try and get familiar as I can with it, with that software, and see how easy it is not only to learn, but compare the features between the different pieces of software. And I'm looking at this in two ways. First and foremost, as a true alternative to Lightroom and Photoshop. Commercially, there's programs like Skylum, Luminar, Affinity Photo, some very, very good software out there. And